welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel. So today I wanted to dye my eyebrows with some Just for Men. So I got shade light medium brown, which now I'm thinking might be like a little bit too light now that I watched like 2 tutorials on how to do it, but we're gonna try it anyways. Here is the before of my eyebrows. I mostly hate this spot. It's like a little bald looking spot right there, but I'm hoping, since I think there is hair there, I think it's just blonde, that this will fix that, obviously. So okay, it comes with gloves. I'm probably not gonna use that because I'm not really using my hand. I'm gonna use a brush. So I also grabbed this little angled brush to do it with, seeing as doing it with this would be super difficult. Okay, so you just put equal parts of the color developer and the color base together. And I don't know if that's enough, but if not, we will do it again. And then someone said to mix it together with the end of this, so that's what we're gonna do. It smells like dye. I don't know what I expected, but I'm going to put it in my eyebrows like I would like a normal brow product, I guess. Yeah, I feel like this is way too light. I saw Jenna do this forever ago, and ever since then I wanted to try it, and it turns out it's like an actual thing that people do. It didn't just come from Jenna's mind. I have a visitor. 1 second, honey. So I saw some people saying they leave it on for 10 minutes, some people said 5 minutes, some people said they leave it on, or they leave it for 5 minutes and then do it again and leave that for 5 minutes. So I think I'm gonna try 10 since it's so light and see how that goes. It is 3:17. I'll see you at 3:27 or in like 2 seconds for you. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes. It's clearly developed more. Now that I can actually see where I put it, they're not the most identical, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and wipe it off because that's what everyone else did. And the box is the shampoo, but like I'm not gonna shampoo my eyebrows. So the actual brow is definitely darker. Here's like a little bit lighter than I would love, but they do look better. I might do it again, just like here and here a little bit. Yeah, just to see if I can get them like a little bit darker. Okay, so I'm gonna put a tiny bit of that in here. I know you can't see, but just take my word for it. Because I don't think you're really supposed to like let it sit and then put it on, because then it did all it's developing already. I don't know if that's true. I read that in a comment, so I'm just gonna mix that a little bit together. Yeah, just put that on the outer part of like my arc? Is that arch? I think the word's arch, not arc. And I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit higher too, just so that it looks more like that one. Kind of just glooping it on there. I'm gonna do the front of my brows more too, because that didn't really show up on this brow. Okay, and then I will see you in another 10 minutes. I think it's been 10 minutes. I can't remember what time I said that, so. Okay, I actually think I got the perfect shade for me, so I thought it was gonna be too light, but I think it matches my roots perfectly. There's definitely still like a spot with not a lot of like pigment or hair, obviously, but I really think that just comes down to like me just not having a ton of eyebrow hair there. But my brows are definitely darker, for sure. They were like blonde before. I really like them actually. And this took like 20 minutes. That's so fast. Okay, so here is the final result. This one I think turned out way better, but this is my favorite eyebrow in general. So, but yeah, so I would recommend doing this. I think they look good. And I think if I do my eyebrows, it'll be like a million times easier too. Like even though it didn't fully fill in my eyebrows the way like a pencil would, but that's like, it's just dyeing your hair. It's not like creating hair and dyeing your skin, you know? So like, no, I think they look so good. Okay. So if you like this video, subscribe, comment, like, share, all that stuff down below, and I will see you in my next video.